we're used every day. Emergencies, flooding, our pumps during the hurricanes here that just occurred on the East Coast or down in the Gulf region are used to remove copious amounts of water when people get flooded. We move sewage, we move Hershey chocolate, we've moved lemon juice, we've moved crude oil, we move any hydrocarbon that basically is in a liquid form. We move product that is at a pH of 1 to pH of 14. Our pump ends are also cast out of stainless steel, so anything that basically has any chemical compounds in it, this pump can move as well. In a lot of cases, our pumps are used in a temporary application for 1 day, 1 week, 3 months, 9 months, whatever it may be, while they're waiting for their permanent pumps to get fixed. So our pump will be used in lieu of the permanent pump. The water is basically enters the pump through the suction side, and it typically is then routed around the work that's being done, whether it's a broken sewer, an infrastructure improvement project where a head works at a plant, or it's just diverted into another sewer manhole. Anywhere between 100 feet and 5,000 feet is typically where we're then conveying the water to a downstream point. In most cases, the product and the things that we're normally pumping are intermittent flow. So the unique thing with the Godwin pump is the priming system is always on, and the pump can run dry indefinitely. The mechanical seal, which basically rotates behind here, is actually outboard, and it sits in its own oil bath. And that allows the seal, the cooling of the seal to always continuously occur, and allows the intermittent product that might be here or might not to allow it to pump continuously, thus allowing for efficient operation and basically allowing you for always conveying the water that you need to move from one point to the other. How the pump primes itself is just, really looking at this picture will really help. Think of this straw or this suction tube as a straw going into, in this case, water or your Coca-Cola that you're basically drinking at Pizza Hut. You have to prime the straw. You remove air out of the straw to get the Coke into your mouth. The pump has to remove the air in that hose that goes into the product, and that's done via this eductor. So when you remove the air in the straw, Mother Nature takes over and then pushes the product up into your mouth or into the pump itself. The water is lifted into the pump via the priming system. The priming system operates via this venturi, which is another word for eductor, and the priming system is energized by this compressor that drives high pressure air across this eductor. This eductor does the removal of air that's in the pump casing to allow Mother Nature to take over to push the product up into the pump. We provide all the accessories, the fittings, the hoses, all the things that you see on here other than the orange pumps. We provide the other things to allow water to be conveyed from point A to point B.